There you go, Adam. Add some water and let's see what happens.
Good morning, guys. We're putting water onto some Skittles.
Good job, Adam. All right, we need to empty out all the Skittles onto the plate. Can you do that?
Yes.
Now, can we line them all up around the plate?
Yes.
So once we line them all up around the plate, we're gonna put water in the middle and we're gonna watch all of the colors come out of the Skittles. There you go, Adam. Add some water and let's see what happens.
See the colors?
Whoa, I can see the colors coming out.
Look at that. Dad, I can't believe that worked. Oh, look at them.
Wow.
The colors are getting bigger. Is this cool, Dad?
It's very cool.
Looks like a...
Looks like a rainbow.
I can't believe this is happening right now, Dad.
Whoa.
That's cool, Dad.
They're almost touching the center.
Yeah. Then I realised if that purple can go all the way to that purple, that's gonna be cool.
Be very cool.
It's going. They're rising. There we have a beautiful rainbow made out of Skittles. Hey guys, we're making paper towels into these glasses so they can travel into different colours.
Alright, so first we need to fill this one with water.
Ooh, that is a little too much.
That one with water. And that one with water. So we'll make this one blue.
This one?
Yep.
Drip.
You stir that in.
Oh look, it's getting really blue, guys.
Do this one yellow. You stir in the yellow.
Yeah.
Do this one green.
Yes. Without written.
Alright, so we're going to put the paper towel from the blue into the empty one. The towel from the yellow one into the empty one as well.
Yeah.
So what do you think's going to happen?
I think they're gonna mix in colours and we're gonna see what happens.
Put the yellow one
into the clear one.
just like that. Put the green one
into the yellow one.
Into the empty one. As you can see, the blue is traveling up.
Ooh, even the yellow, even the green.
So we want the blue to go into this cup.
And
We want the yellow to go into this cup. We want the green to go into this cup.
And we want
The
that
yellow to go into that cup. There we have it. After a couple hours, all the water from here and here is gone into the middle, which has made a nice greeny colour.
Like dark green.
Let's see that.
You can see that.
But then this one, the yellow,
Traveled in.
and the other green, we've come a light green.
Yeah, dark green. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.